hit 2,000 subscribers and a bit of an explanation. Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. Long time no see, and I thought I'd do this off the cuff video just to explain what I'm doing on YouTube and what I've got going on in my own personal life, and the fact that I've hit 2,000 subscribers. And if you remember when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I did a bit of a giveaway and a bit of a over the top raffle draw type thing. Some of you may know already, I've been doing some renovations to my house. I'm not uploading videos as I do it, but I am recording as much as I can, then I'll do a compilation when I've finished. I was also in Australia last week, in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. Work related, really good week, fantastic country. If anyone's ever been or everyone's thinking of going, wow, amazing. And now's well, it's sort of coming to the end of their summer, and the temperatures, well, I was in Brisbane and that was around 36 degrees. So yeah, nice. Compared to the weather we've been having in the UK, it's been snowing these last few days and it's down to sort of 1 degree. Thank you to all the subscribers who've come on board, new and old. It really means a lot, and that's why I'm putting this video out there as well, just to say thank you. As you remember on my last videos, I was building an arcade machine, which I'm still building when I get time. I've got to prioritise, of course, family life, renovations, work, all this sort of thing. YouTube was meant as a hobby, which I really enjoy doing, from filming to editing to getting your guys' feedback and your comments. I really do enjoy every aspect of it. And I want to keep going as well. And you will see more regular updates, more regular content coming out and uploads starting from probably sort of next week. Yeah, and going back to the arcade machine I was building, my good friend Doug, he sent some parts to add to it, actually, some resin blocks. Thank you so much, Doug. Really nice gesture. He also sent some doubloons with his name on, his logo on there, and some stickers. What I've got an idea of doing is using the resin blocks to go either side of the arcade machine that's going to illuminate from underneath. Let me just quickly show you. As you can see, I've got all sorts going on in a minute. I've just sanded this down. It's an old set of drawers that I'm actually going to put a sink on top. So I've sanded it down and I'm going to repaint that black. Bits of plaster everywhere and plasterboard. So I need to get a little bit more organised. But this box here, I've had this for a number of years. I think I probably put a video out about it. So it folds out like that. There's the monitor screen already. And my idea is, there's the arcade console. It's going to sit in there somewhat, and then I'm going to put hydraulic rams either side so it lowers down, and then also the top lifts up with hydraulics. But I'm going to do a video on that. But the resin blocks that I got off Doug are going to sit either side here. I'm going to sand them down a little bit, and then I'll put lights underneath, just so it just adds to the effect. When I say hydraulic rams, I meant more gas struts that fit either side here and pop the top up, and then this lowers down. So again, that's going to come in another video. I've also got a lot of catching up to do on a lot of YouTube channels that I'm subscribed to. So if you wonder why I've not been commenting, it's because my workload is quite high. So I'll be commenting soon. I'm going to do a binge watch of all my regular YouTubers. I've still got lots of modifications I want to do to my shed, one of which being this door here, which goes out to the back of the shed. I'm going to actually turn that into a dirty room. So for grinding and sanding, that sort of thing, I'm going to extend on the back. It's actually Scout from Scoutcrafter that suggested using a dirty room to just get all the grinding dust from getting everywhere in my man cave shed. So thanks for that, Scout. If you haven't already, also check out Grumpas workshop. He's trying to get to 1,000. I've not caught up on his videos for a while. I think he's almost there, but if you haven't already, go and check his channel out. And of course, check out Fleet's Woodshop, Doug, the guy who sent me the resin blocks. Also, a good friend of mine, Mark at the Small Workshop Adventures. He's come on Sheddies with me a few times. And by the way, Mark, if you're watching this, we need to do some more of those videos. But yeah, check his channel out as well. I'll put his link below, plus anyone else that I've mentioned in this video. Going back to the Scoutcrafter channel as well, Scout put out a challenge probably a month or so ago now to make a car out of a 4x2 piece of timber, 12 inches long. I had a really good idea to make one as well. I just haven't had time. So I think I'm going to make one anyway because the idea is sort of stuck in my head now. So yeah, that will come in a future video. I did see the entries to that challenge as well, and fantastic. If you haven't already, just go and check out Scoutcrafter's channel and the challenge entries. Real talent. Plus, I need to get heating in this shed. I've got a log burner that I want to install. That's to come. What else is there? I was going to mention something else. Don't know. As I say, this is an off-the-cuff video. I'm just winging it. So going back to my subscribers, 2,000, brilliant. I'm going to do a giveaway. I've been doing renovations and I've got this wall stud finder that I bought recently. And I thought, well, that'd be good for a giveaway. So I bought another. So I'll do a quick video or review on that when I've used it a little bit more. But I'm going to give that away. I'm going to put a few more bits in there as well, actually. I don't want to put in the giveaway yet. But there's going to be some other bits and bobs in there, video to come. But if you can put below in the comments 2,000 on whatever comment you want to put, you can just put 2,000 just to enter you into this giveaway. And then let's say, where are we now? We are what date is it? 11th of March. So let's say 2 weeks from now. So where does that take us? 25th of March, I'll do the draw. And I'll do it at 12 PM UK time, so Greenwich Mean Time. And put your comments in before then, and then there'll be a video to follow of me doing the draw. Does that make sense? Stick 2,000 below, and then you're entered into the draw. And I'm going to make it a little bit fancy like I did on the last raffle giveaway. So not much else to report, just a bit of an explanation why I've been so busy, but normal service will resume soon. I'll upload more videos. Thank you very much for everyone for subscribing. It means the world. Stick your comments below, whatever you want to put. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you're new here, subscribe. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers. See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.